In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your map sensor on your Kia Soul. It's located on your engine next to your intake. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take off our negative battery terminal. Once it's loose, you can just wiggle it off and set it off to the side, not touching any metal. We're going to unplug this, pushing in this tab and pulling it out. Then we're going to use a 10mm socket and undo this bolt. And then we're going to pull out the sensor. Pull that out. Get your 10mm socket. I'm using a long one and a 1/4" ratchet. Remove the bolt. Now we're going to remove it. I'm going to put some oil on our O-ring. And we're going to put it in the vehicle. Line it up and push it in. It does need to get past that O-ring, so it may take a little bit of pressure to do that. Once it's in, you're going to put your bolt in. I'm going to start it by hand. Once you get it started, you can tighten it down. We're going to torque this to 84 inch-pounds or 7 foot-pounds. Now you're going to find your connector and plug it in. Line it up. Push it on, make sure that that tab is over that notch. Let's install our negative battery terminal. Make sure you press it all the way in. And tighten it up with a 10mm socket. Once it's snug, check to make sure it doesn't wiggle, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.